zenshin. We use this in sports, work or projects, and the movement of cars or robots. 前進、スポーツ、仕事やプロジェクト、車やロボットの動きでよく使います。It is used as a noun and a suru verb. 前進 literally means moving forward in space, or making progress and improvement in tasks, studies, or plans. 体や物が前へ進むこと、または仕事や勉強が良くなっていくことを表します。The first kanji means front or before. You see it in simple words like mae and gozen. It often shows time or place in front. Picture something ahead of you. The second kanji means to advance or proceed. You meet it in susumu and shimpo. It suggests moving or growing toward a goal. Think of steady movement ahead. Our plans are moving forward. 私たちの計画は前進しています。私たちの計画は前進しています。The car moved forward slowly. 車はゆっくり前進した。車はゆっくり前進した。The team is a step forward. チームは一歩前進だ。チームは一歩前進だ。Let's move forward towards our goal. 目標に向かって前進しよう。目標に向かって前進しよう。The most common synonyms of the word are shimpo and shinko. Shimpo focuses on improvement or growth in ability, while shinko is about a process moving along. Zenshin overlaps with both when you mean moving forward, either physically or in results. The most common antonyms of the word are kotai and deitai. Kotai is moving back, the opposite direction, and deitai is no movement or growth. Zenshin means moving ahead, so these contrast clearly.